Man, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mark back with another video. First off, let me say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. You know, it's cool here. I want to say happy Thanksgiving. Actually, there's a motherfucker now. Happy Thanksgiving. I don't know, man. I ain't no cameraman, but anyway, happy Thanksgiving to everybody, man. You know, give y'all what they call a cold start on this wagon real quick. Hold on, I gotta make sure I'm in. What the hell? Somebody dropped some shit out the court. Hold on, let me make sure I ain't in range. It won't do the automatic start if it detects my what's the name. See if I can't start. Hold on. It's cold out here. That cold start. Yeah. That cold start, baby. Well, yeah, a little update real quick. You know, like I said, once again, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, the wagon running. Got the front end on it, everything. Yeah, got the front end, everything on her, in the front. I don't know if I had the mufflers on here last time, but as y'all can see, I got duals on it coming out the bike deck and right behind the tire. You know, got some Flowmaster 40 series, Super 40 series, or whatever they is. As y'all can see from the inside, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's bare in there. Hold on, let me go ahead and open it up for y'all real quick. It's bare knuckles in this joint because I'm redoing the inside real quick. You know, I got bucket seats in there, but ain't but one seat. But yeah, I forgot to turn the alarm off. Unlock it. I forgot. See that push button start on? Let me see. Hold on. There we go. See how it glowed up? But yeah, this the station wagon. She roll. I've been rolling. About to get y'all some roller footage here in just a minute. Take y'all around this joint. Those of you that's new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. You know, let me show y'all real quick. I got a all aluminum 5.3 out of a 2004 Trailblazer, 700 R4 transmission behind it. A kick down cable bracket that I made, you know. Intrepid fans, eBay headers, Nathan Weed wiring harness. Everything junkyard. Everything junkyard except for like the wiring harness in the headers. You know. Dang, my thing broke again. Oh yeah, I gotta fix that. I gotta figure out a way to fix that. Where the hell did that come from? Ah, that's where my thing went. Okay. Well, yeah, this is my little update. You know, I gave y'all. Give me just a second, and we'll get some rolling footage. Hold on. Yeah, give y'all a little rolling footage. Show y'all what my baby can do. She get down through there. See that water dripping out that tailpipe. Yeah. But. Yeah, it's push button start. Yeah, it's push button start. You know what I'm saying? I still need the key. I still need the key to unlock the column. I don't know if I put the key in there right. So I still need that to unlock the column so I can put it in gear and turn my steering wheel. But I still got all the regular gauges in there. I put them gauges in there. Man, it ain't heated up. Yeah, it's starting to heat up now up in here. Woo! Yeah, that heat works, but like I say, y'all see, I ain't got no interior in this mug. But, you know, everything. Let's see if we get some rolling footage. everybody. Oh yeah, she get down through there real quick like. Yeah. Yeah, I got that 700 R4 behind it right now, but I'm gonna switch it out to the 4L60E because I don't know if y'all heard it, but that 700 got a little slip in it. It was changing gears, so we're gonna get rid of that 700 R4 and put that 4L60E, that 4L60E behind it. One thing I do love about my station wagon though, especially the way I got it set up, is that I can run this all the way down to E. And ain't gotta worry about the fuel starvation problem or some people be having, because I don't have a fuel injection tank. But with no interior in this joint, boy, you hear everything, all the motherfucking sound. You know? Hop on this thing. She cut the corner kind of close, didn't she? Hop on this highway real quick, go by mom's house. Right there. I don't know if y'all heard that. But that was the transmission slipping when it was changing gears. Yeah, I done made it to mom's house, but yeah, that's my wagon, man. You know, just a little something, something for right now. I got a 6.0 that I'm finna put together that I'm slapping here with the sloppy stage 2 cam. Got the 4L, like I said, got the 4L60E transmission. I'm working on trying to get a pod, you know, get the rear end done, all that. But yeah, this is your boy Mark. This is my update, man. And you know, until next time, man, y'all keep it pushing, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.